So for my notebook, I decided to use Microsoft OneNote because I already had it on my laptop and I already kind of knew how to use it. And so you can see that I've created two notebooks within here. So this one's going to be kind of more for my student teaching, which I do twice a week, every week. And so on this page of my notebook, I've included important dates and then maybe the days I'm going to be teaching lessons. And so I can have everything kind of planned out. And then on here, I'm going to have my lesson plans. And so you can see I'm already currently working on one that I'm going to be teaching on February 8th. And then if we go back to my theme notebook, which is spelling for kindergarten, you can see that I've included 5 different pages in here so far. I'm still kind of building it. So on this page, I just kind of have a description of my theme. So for anybody that hasn't looked at my notebook before or hasn't learned about my theme, they just kind of know what my notebook's going to be about. On this page, I'm going to include the spelling standards for kindergarten. On here, I'm going to have work and evidence that I can find online or in my own classroom of kind of relates to spelling. On this page, I'm going to have research, so I'm going to have useful links or like findings that I find in my own research. And then on here, I found this article, and it's called The Developmental Stages of Spelling, and it's by Elaine Lutz. You can see this article basically talks about the 5 stages of spelling and how it's important for teachers to teach kind of for experience rather than for rule-based, so like memorization. And so you can see that I've highlighted the important parts. And then if we scroll over, you can see that I've kind of annotated and made little notes for myself, just to kind of make the summarizing article a little easier. So I added a tag for our author because she has some great work. So if we click on her, we can go to this website that I found it, and you can kind of see other articles that they have on the website for her. And so I thought that was super helpful.